1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to factory reset the Sonos Era 100. In order to do this, what you're going to do is unplug the device, and then you're going to plug it back in and hold down the Bluetooth button on the back here. So you can see that button, that's the Bluetooth button, it's got that little Bluetooth symbol. So let's factory reset our Sonos Era 100 right now. We're going to unplug it, count to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to plug it back in, and we're going to hold down the Bluetooth button in the back, which I am holding down right here. Now, what that's going to do is change the colors of the light on the front. You can see once you get the orange light, that means that this is factory resetting. But in order for our Sonos 100 to be factory reset, we will need to wait till we see the green light. So that means that our Sonos Era 100 has now been factory reset. So we can set this back up. We've got another video that shows you how to do that, so look down in the description below, but I can show you that this is now ready to be set up. Now that our Sonos Era 100 is reset, we could set it back up on the Sonos app by clicking right here. And you can see that it's ready to be set up by this green blinking light. So thank you for watching this video on how to factory reset your Sonos Era 100. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time. If you want to learn how to set up your Sonos Era 100, check the links in the description below for a video that shows you how to do that.